Hey, it's the 6th of January already. The first week has passed. It's -5 today on the beach with a wind chill, making it feel like -11. Here's a little walk for us. Someone's already been down here. Yeah, I see. Actually, I see somebody walking down there. Cool. We're gonna have a fire. I'll show you that in a bit. Yeah, what a beautiful day though. And the wind makes my eyes water, which isn't fun. But yeah. How's your New Year's going? Mine's not going the way I hoped it would start, but that happens. Things will get better. Come walk the beaches all the time. It's great. Okay, we'll just walk up here to these rocks. This sand is great for walking. I got lined rubber boots on today from when I did fiberglassing, so they're warm, better than runners. I'm not seeing much up there. I'm looking for buoys that get washed ashore for my kayak. I probably said that. My friend still lit the fire. Just a nice Saturday afternoon. There were great comments on my video last night of the haul I got from Dollarama, and the vegetable haul is great. I'll do more of that. Okay, I'll bring you back on the fire. Talk to you later. Bye now.